Pickles are a healthy alternative to side dishes that kids can enjoy. They support digestion, help build gut health, and improve appetite. Today, we are making homemade radish pickle, also known as mooli ka achar. To make traditional radish pickle, you will need fresh radish and the spices shown on the screen. First, prepare the radish. Wash the radish thoroughly. Peeling is optional. Radish is rich in dietary fiber. It supports digestion, helps reduce bloating, and aids liver detoxification. Radish also contains antioxidants that strengthen immunity and support gut health. Cut the radish into slices or long finger-sized pieces as shown. This makes them soft on the outside yet crunchy on the inside. After drying, this 5 kg weight will reduces to about 2 kg. Spread the radish pieces on a clean cotton cloth and sun-dry them for a day or up to 2 days in case of cloudy weather. This step removes excess moisture, helps prevent spoilage, and concentrates the natural sweetness of the radish. Next, prepare the spices. Dry roast. 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon fenugreek seeds. You may also add dry red chilies if you prefer chili flakes or black pepper instead of chili powder. Let the spices cool for a few minutes, then grind them into a coarse powder. This enhances both flavor and digestion. Heat mustard oil in a pan until it just starts to smoke. This removes the strong raw flavor of mustard oil. Switch off the flame and allow the oil to cool slightly. Add the dried radish and mix well. Mustard oil acts as a natural preservative and has antibacterial properties. Now add the freshly ground spice mix to the radish. Mix thoroughly so that every piece is evenly coated. You may also mix the spices with the radish first and pour the oil later. However, for long-term storage, adding warm oil helps disinfect any remaining bacteria on the radish surface and improves shelf life. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of mango powder, salt as per taste, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, and red chili powder as per taste. Mix thoroughly so that every piece is evenly coated. When eaten in moderation, radish pickle improves healthy gut bacteria through natural fermentation, boosts appetite, aids liver detoxification, and provides anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. This is why elders traditionally served a small amount of pickle with meals. Transfer the pickle into a clean and completely dry glass jar. Keep the jar in sunlight for 2 to 3 days, shaking it once daily so the spices distribute evenly. Your homemade radish pickle will then be ready to eat. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share, and subscribe for more kid-friendly and family-approved meals. Happy cooking!